Hello everyone and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the exact setting that fixes lag in Mobile Legends instantly. No extra app needed. Whether you are on a low-end or older phone, these steps will boost your game's performance and keep you winning. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. So first, before launching the game, make sure to clear out any other apps running in the background. On almost any Android phone, tap on the Recent Apps button or the square button and then view all apps and swipe to remove all of them. This action will free up RAM and ensure all your phone's power is focused on your single game. Now, tap on the game icon and open the game. And once it is fully loaded, tap on the gear icon or the settings icon at the top right corner. Now, inside the settings panel, the first thing that you need to do is select the network section. And here in the first option, which is labeled speed mode, turn that on. Then you might see a quick notification. All you have to do is simply click on OK. Now right below it, you will see an option called Network Boost as well. The reason why Network Boost isn't enabling is because I'm currently recording, but in your case, it'll enable just fine. So these settings make sure your device focuses all the network resources only on this game, reducing lag caused by other apps in the background, okay? Now, still in the settings section, switch to the graphics section or the basic section at the very top and set the graphic quality to smooth. Now, even if your phone can handle higher settings, the smooth setting will minimize all types of lag on your phone. Now set the frame rate to high for faster response time. Now here in this very same menu, also turn on these three settings, which are Merge Text, Creep HP, and Damage Text. This will help with clear visuals and performance. Now, before starting a match, simply check if your device has a game booster built in or not. On most phones, a small rocket or game icon pops up when you open a game interface. So just tap on that type of option. Like on my phone, you will see a small white edge at the very top left corner. This is the symbol of the game booster on my device. So just tap on that and the game booster will appear in front of you. Now the interface will look completely different depending on the phone that you're using, but the majority of the settings will be the same. So depending on the settings that your device has, enable them. Like for example, if you have block notifications function or boost performance or clean RAM, use those types of settings. For example, I have clean RAM. So if I click on that, the RAM will automatically start cleaning, as you can see here. Then I also have performance booster. If I click on this boost option, the game mode will start and the performance will automatically be boosted, as you can see here. So simply wait for it to complete. And then you can start playing your game and your performance will automatically be boosted until you disable the option manually by clicking on stop. So if you don't see a built-in booster on your device, you can simply skip this part. Now, lastly, go to your phone's settings app or simply tap and hold on your game for a longer period of time. Then simply click on App Info, and if you want to do it manually, go to your settings. Then you can find apps there. Simply find the app, which is Mobile Legends. Now here, tap on Clear Data and then click on Clear Cache, not Clear Data. Make sure not to click on Clear Data because that would delete all of your data. Now, the reason we did that is because removing temporary files will free up space for your app to perform even better. Now, pro tip, if you still notice lag, try playing closer to your Wi-Fi router or switch off other devices that are connected to your Wi-Fi router for better and healthier connectivity. So that's it. You have just unlocked the best settings to fix lag and enjoy a smoother Mobile Legends experience without needing any extra app. Now get back to the game. So, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching and take care.